Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm your teacher Shumaila Isaf, and my topic today are pollution, biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials. So, first of all, I tell you about pollution. Pollution is an undesirable change. एक नापसंदीदा तब्दीली होती है in the environment that badly affects organisms and environment. Pollution has various types, but now we'll study only four. First is air pollution. Air pollution can be defined as any undesirable change in the environment that badly affects air, and it also affects organisms which are present inside the environment. Water pollution is defined as any undesirable change in the water that badly affects the aquatic life. Land pollution is defined as any undesirable change in the land that badly affects the land and organisms on the land. Noise pollution is an unavoidable and unbearable intensity of the sounds that are collectively called noise, and it badly affects the human health and disturbs nervous system and entire body systems of the organism. And noise pollution is mostly felt and faced by the people in the industrial areas. Here there are more industries and more factories. Now we'll study about biodegradable materials. Biodegradable materials are actually those materials which are changed into ashes by natural process. Hence, biodegradable materials are changed by mostly using the effects of the decomposers, and fungi, bacteria, etc. are the decomposers which are doing this process. And examples of the biodegradable materials are all types of the fruits, all the vegetables, the wooden articles and paper items, etc. We can show the biodegradable materials by the following diagrams. The trees are an example of biodegradable materials. The leaves of the trees, the branches, the flowers, everything can be decomposed naturally into ashes. Similarly, the wooden articles, grasses, papers, the fruits like orange, mango, grapes, apple, wrappers, vegetables like carrot, all other vegetables you should draw, and the things which are used in the kitchen, in the domestic purpose, they are used. All of these are the examples of biodegradable materials. Now we'll study about non-biodegradable materials. Non-biodegradable materials are those materials which cannot be changed into ashes. Hence, they remain as a pollutant in our environment because they are not disposed. So they are the pollutant inside our environment. These are the non-biodegradable materials. We can take certain examples. For example, glass, sand, cement particles, metals, etc. All are the examples of non-biodegradable materials. We can also draw simple diagrams to illustrate the non-biodegradable materials, and these are glasses. Whenever they are cracked, so they cannot be decomposed into ashes and they will remain as an impurity. In the similar way, there are needles, the blades, magnifying lenses which are broken and are of no utility, so they remain as impurity. Similarly, the broken glasses, broken cups, sand particles, and concrete particles are all the examples of non-biodegradable materials. So, non-biodegradable materials are not able to be decomposed once they are formed. Hence, we can say that non-biodegradable materials remain as an impurity, as a permanent impurity and permanent problem for our environment, and they make our environment dirty and ugly. Therefore, steps should be taken to reduce the effect of non-biodegradable materials on the environment, and what should be done in order to save our beautiful land from getting destroyed. So in my next video, I'll tell you that during recycling, the impact of non-biodegradable materials on the environment is minimized, and not only this much, but we can also get a benefit that we can get other useful substances which are made from the non-biodegradable materials. So now we have studied about pollution and a diagram to show the process of pollution. This is a diagram in which you have studied pollution is being created, and for the students of primary level you can draw this diagram. Moreover, the solution of reduce the solution of the environmental pollution is that we should grow more trees, so we can draw these diagrams as well. So in my next video I'll tell you about recycling process.